Hello, I'm Jillian, and you're watching Revitalize from the Inside Out. Today I've got a couple of smoothie recipes that I'm excited about sharing with you. The combination of the ingredients in these smoothies are going to provide you with absolute nourishment, hydration, minerals, antioxidants, and they're great for detoxing. And like other smoothies that I've made in my videos, these are also very good for the skin, very good for your hair, and very good for bone health and muscle reconstruction. Like all of my recipes and smoothies, these will provide you with an excellent supply of antioxidants, nutrients, minerals, essential vitamins, and much more. I've put these ingredients together not only to create a very nourishing and satisfying meal, but also for great taste. All right, enough from me. Let's get started. We're going to start by adding some water so that everything blends together very easily and smoothly. And with half a cup of bananas, this is going to allow us to create a very smooth and creamy texture to the smoothie. Half a cup of mangoes are going to create a delightful tropical experience for your taste buds, and they're going to deliver a healthy dose of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes as well. We're going to add in half a cup of peaches, which are high antioxidant foods that have anti-inflammatory and anti-fungal properties. And for half an orange, which benefits include enhanced immunity, improved digestive and heart health, better brain function, and improved skin. And now for 2 to 3 teaspoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds benefits include promoting healthy skin and reducing signs of aging. And now we're going to add in about a half a teaspoon to a whole teaspoon of honey, only to add a bit of a sweeter taste to the smoothie. And now I'm adding in some rice milk here. However, you can use almond milk or just water or even coconut milk. Now we're going to cover it up and give it a whirl, and we're going to blend it until it's smooth and creamy in texture. And there we are. This is our Rise and Shine Revitalizer smoothie. So I'm going to start with some water here, as we did before, so as to allow the smoothie to blend more easily. We're going to add half a cup of mangoes, and like in the last smoothie, they're going to contribute a delightful tropical taste here. And half a cup of oranges, which blend beautifully together with the other ingredients, creating a slightly tangy and refreshing taste. And half a cup of carrots. They are also rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They're great for nourishing the skin and keeping it moisturized. And with half a cup of bananas, as I've said before, they're going to give this smoothie that creamy and rich texture that we're looking for. And half a cup of papaya. Papaya is most known to be a powerful digestive aid, and it helps the body to detox. It's great for healing wounds, reducing inflammation, and purifying the blood. And we're going to use about 2 to 3 teaspoons of pumpkin seeds. They're full of antioxidants, and they may help protect against disease and reduce inflammation. I'm using about a teaspoon of ginger here. It has anti-inflammatory effects and can reduce muscle pain as well. We're now going to add in less than half a teaspoon of turmeric. Arguably, the most powerful aspect of turmeric is its ability to control inflammation. I'm going to add in some rice milk, as little or as much as you'd like. You can use any other milk of choice as well here, or just water. We're going to blend it until it is smooth and creamy in texture. And that is our Tropical Sunrise smoothie. Both of these smoothies make for a great meal or snack at any time of the day. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that. That was really fun. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to give my video a like, subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment under my video below. So I hope you find these to be a wonderful addition to your daily habits. Thank you for watching. Until next time.